The interview process is an important component of obtaining a TN visa. You must schedule an appointment for the interview at your local U.S. Embassy, consulate, or border crossing location. Wait times may vary based on a number of factors, so be sure to start as soon as possible to avoid any unforeseen delays that may hinder the start date for the job that you're seeking. Make sure that you have all of your necessary documents for your interview. This includes your passport, your non-immigrant visa application, valid photo identification, letter of employment, and documentation proving that you meet the minimum education and or work experience requirements to obtain a TN visa. These are the basic fundamental documents that are typically required for the interview process that you will be asked of to bring with you. However, anticipate that you may be asked for other documents on top of this. Whoever is interviewing has wide discretion as to what documents may or may not be needed. Thus, they may require you to bring something else, and if they so choose, you have to comply with these obligations. For example, since the TN visa is a temporary permit for employment, what may be asked of you is that you demonstrate that you have full intention to return home to your country of origin. For example, in some instances, the interviewer may ask the interviewee to provide proof that your intent is to return home. So you may have to provide documentation, showing that you're a homeowner or things of that nature. After your interview, you'll be informed whether or not you have been approved for your TN visa. If you have unfortunately been denied, be sure to get clarification as to why you're denied so that you may go forth and correct the process. Because keep in mind that a denial does not necessarily mean that you're not eligible for a TN visa. It means that your paperwork was faulty. Thus, you can reapply and hopefully be more successful the second time around. However, keep in mind that your paperwork may be more highly scrutinized the second time around, so that's why it's imperative that you do your best and are fully prepared for your first interview. Thank you.